Hey guys, so I was looking on how you can possibly reset the Ninja air fryer, and what I found out, the one thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to work for you, like try to completely unplug it for like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and then you can like try to plug it back in after 5 minutes, because even when I look here on the reset in the menu, like how you can or reset the Ninja air fryer, I just couldn't find anything. So this is the thing. And I hope it's going to actually help to fix the issue if you have it. So completely unplug it, 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe it's going to help to fix the issue. And even right here, when I look, oh, I forgot.